Just got this in the mail. It's a Nashville backpack. It's the Cutaway 30. I did a custom one with custom color, custom material. So just gonna do a quick unboxing, take a look at it. Specifically, it was the 16-inch Cutaway 30 hybrid vest straps that are also 16-inch, and I went with the Ultragrid Fabric in avocado, which is like a green. So here's the bag. So we got the bag here, and then the straps here. So they don't come attached, so I'll attach them. The build quality seems really nice, very nice and plush. Comes with a sticker, another kind of strap attachment there. So here are the vest straps. They have this cinch part here, another pocket there, and there's also this top pocket. I didn't really know about that one. Stash something in there, like an extra bar. So let's take a look at the pack. It's a roll top, so that's how tall it is, I guess, fully unrolled. The side water bottle pockets are actually like all combined into the pouch, and they told me they updated the bottom pocket, so this you're supposed to be able to grab while you're wearing the pack, and they've changed it so it's harder for stuff to fall out. I think previously there was like holes on the side that you could reach into. So let's put this thing together. So with all these straps and toggles, definitely gonna take some adjusting. Yeah, so here it is, first look, wearing it. I think it needs a little more adjusting, but actually pretty comfortable. So let's see, take that bottom pocket. Nice. I can reach side pocket quite easily. Alright, so just grab them up here. Feels good. Balances up the weight. Grab super easy. Smart water there. Not the easiest to grab. Maybe I gotta adjust this so it hangs a little bit lower. But this is just my first look. Just a quick assembly. So far, I'm impressed. Let's just keep tweaking it, and then I'll see if I can get a perfect fit. But the size is great. I was really looking for a smaller torso bag. I'm pretty short, so this one definitely fits the bill.